My name is Laura Bahamon. I was the former bicycle manager in Bogotá last year. And now I want to talk about the pop-up bike lanes in Bogotá and how this was actually a citizen initiative that the city take as a seed for these brave decisions in the pandemic. So a little bit of context, Bogota is in South America, and yeah, there is some some information about population, but let's keep this information in mind. This is the third most congested city in the ranking of TomTom in 2019. Just 6% of the people move by bike, of course, and we are a lot of people, so 880,000 trips, but just 24% are made by women. So when the pandemic starts at the very first day of the lockdown in Bogota, that is March 16, the people found outside in the streets, those people that cannot work in home office, that they had 22 kilometers additional to the 550 kilometers of permanent bike lanes to move to their works without using public transport, because in this time we thought it was a high risk environment. And we plan to move the people that are in the most crowded part of the city with the most population. For example, here in Suba, there live more than 1 million people, also in Kennedy. So they move to the part of the city where are the most work centers and then universities. And in the next day, they had 170 kilometers additional. We made it that fast because the idea was born in 1974. This is a newspaper of this year. At that day, some people, like the people from Changing Cities or Go Bike, they convinced the administration to close some streets or some main streets for a couple hours, and they call it the Festival of the Pedals, or like a party, and they use it very intensive. And in this site, in this newspaper, they say it's like the future obsession, and it became a program. So the administration started to give some budget and some people, and now they had these guardians, like they are like a Baywatch, but in the ciclovia. More than 1,300 people working out there, also police. They are coordinated with street vendors, and also they install at 4 a.m. in the morning every Sunday and every holiday 5,000 elements on the street, and they put it, they take it away at 2 p.m. It finished actually in 5 p.m. And every Sunday when you go outside, when you make it with your car, it's it's not a very good experience, but with your bike, it's incredible. So my final statement is these dreams for these activists that in this moment, so in the 16th, they want less pollution, less traffic congestion, cities for all. They say that in this time they had too much cars. Actually, it's that we plan for our future. So less cars, more people enjoying the space, and having spaces for bikes, for pedestrian, more green. Thank you.
Totally on point. The first to hit the 5 minutes. Thank you so much.
Thank you.